Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young monk named Kavi. Kavi was known for his deep compassion and emotional sensitivity, traits that set him apart even in the serene monastery where he resided. His days were filled with meditation, prayer, and acts of kindness toward both fellow monks and the villagers. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting hues of orange and pink across the sky, Kavi noticed a distressed woman at the outskirts of the village. Her name was Anaya, and her tear-streaked face revealed the weight of a heavy heart. Kavi approached her with gentle curiosity, offering a warm smile. Anaya hesitated at first, but the compassionate energy emanating from Kavi encouraged her to share her sorrow. She spoke of her husband's sudden illness, the mounting medical bills, and the overwhelming fear of losing him. Kavi listened intently, his heart connecting with the raw emotions pouring out from Anaya's soul. With a soft touch on her shoulder, Kavi offered words of solace and empathy. He spoke of the impermanence of life, the interconnectedness of all beings, and the importance of embracing the present moment. Anaya found comfort in Kavi's wisdom, and a spark of hope ignited within her troubled spirit. As days passed, Kavi continued to support Anaya and her husband, offering prayers and lending a compassionate ear. His ability to navigate the intricate landscape of human emotions made him a pillar of strength for the villagers. One stormy night, a visitor arrived at the monastery seeking refuge. It was a weary traveler named Rajan, whose face bore the scars of a tumultuous journey. Rajan shared tales of loss, betrayal, and the relentless pursuit of inner peace. Kavi, sensing the depth of Rajan's emotional wounds, welcomed him into the monastery with open arms. The monastery became a sanctuary for Rajan, a place where he could confront his demons and find solace. Kavi, with his emotionally sensitive nature, guided Rajan through meditation and reflective practices. Slowly but steadily, the storm within Rajan's heart began to subside, replaced by the calm waters of self-discovery and acceptance. In this small village, Kavi's emotional sensitivity became a beacon of light, attracting those in need of compassion and understanding. His journey was a testament to the transformative power of empathy, showing that even in the most tranquil settings, the human heart could be a turbulent sea, yearning for connection and understanding. And so the tale of Kavi, the emotionally sensitive monk, unfolded in the embrace of the village's rolling hills, leaving an indelible mark on the hearts of those he touched with his profound compassion.